across the campuses as the Vice Chancellor of BITS Pilani. Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Rakesh Verma, Co-founder, Chairman and Managing Director of MAPMA India and a distinguished alumnus of BITS Pilani, who has also received BITS Ratna Award in 2023. Director of the Goa campus, Professor Suman Kundu, directors of other campuses, members of the Senate, registrar, faculty, staff, distinguished guests, proud parents, and above all, the graduating class of 2026. Good morning to all of you. Convocations are among the occasions in the life of a university. For students, these are the happiest occasions in the life of the university. For students, they mark the culmination of years of hard work. For parents, they are moments when years of sacrifice, anxiety, and hope come together. For teachers, they are a reminder that their work lives on through the lives of their students. To every graduating student and to every parent and family member who made this day possible, my warmest congratulations. It is my great privilege to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Verma, batch of 1972, founder and chairman of MAPMA India and one of India's foremost technology entrepreneurs. He indeed started a deep tech enterprise out of India when the word deep tech was not even known commonly. A distinguished alumnus of BITS Pilani, Mr. Verma graduated with a BE in honors in mechanical engineering in 1972 before pursuing an MBA in the United States. After working for 18 years there, he returned to India with a vision to build world-class indigenous technology. He founded MAPMA India, transforming the country's digital mapping and geospatial landscape. A recipient of the BITS Ratna Award and several other prestigious honors, he is also a passionate mentor, investor, and champion of innovation. Through his generous support, including the Rakesh Verma Convention Center and the MAPMA India Innovation Lab, he continues to strengthen entrepreneurship and inspire generations of Britisians. Mr. Verma is also a founder, member of our endowment fund. He has given 25 crore rupees to BITS Pilani so far. My young friends, today is about you, but it is also an appropriate moment to speak about the institution whose degree you will carry for the rest of your life. BITS Pilani is at an important point in its journey. Over the last 3 years, we have tried to move from aspirations to measurable outcomes. The direction can be described through three simple ideas: building excellence, ensuring equity, and expanding with purpose. Let me begin with excellence. In the last 3 years, building on our 60 years of legacy, BITS Pilani has launched 6 new undergraduate programs, recruited 269 faculty members, and expanded its PhD strength to over 3,000 scholars. We now have one of the largest doctoral ecosystems among India's leading engineering institutions. This year, for the first time in the history of BITS Pilani, more than 300 PhD scholars will graduate, marking an important milestone in our transformation into a research-led university. Our research momentum has changed significantly. Annual research funding from extramural funding is now crossing Indian rupees 100 crores, nearly 3 times the earlier level. During the last financial year, BITS received 295 externally funded projects, the highest number in our history. The cumulative value of sanctioned research projects over the last 6 years has crossed 650 crores. These numbers matter, but what matters more is the change in culture behind them. BITS is increasingly becoming a university where faculty and students do not merely study established knowledge. They create new knowledge. They build prototypes. They file patents. They form companies. They work with industry. They take ideas from laboratories to society. In the last financial year alone, BITS filed around 190 patents. Technology transfers are increasing. Faculty-led startups are emerging across campuses. Student programs such as Science, Sparkle and Solve are taking research and innovation much closer to undergraduate education. A great university cannot remain a good teaching institution. A great university cannot remain only a good teaching institution. It must be a place where the future is imagined, tested, and built. This entrepreneurial culture is also visible in the achievements of our alumni. BITSians are behind 17 of India's 111 unicorns, accounting for more than 15% of the national total, and the wider BITSian startup portfolio is valued at more than 52 billion US dollars. One of the founders of India's unicorn is sitting amongst us, Mr. Rakesh Sharma. The Avendus Wealth Guru India Under 30 lists BITS Pilani in 2026 as the #1 leading undergraduate institution behind India's youngest entrepreneurs, with 11 alumni on the list, ahead of IIT Delhi with 8 and IIT Roorkee with 6. BITS Pilani also ranks #1 in India for deep technology entrepreneurship, with alumni having founded 140 deep tech companies, ahead of IIT Bombay with 136 and IIT Delhi with 113. In the rapidly emerging space technology sector too, BITS Pilani ranks #2 in the country with 10 alumni founded startup. Pixel, as you all know, is a BITSian company out of this campus. These outcomes are not accidental. They reflect a culture that gives young people freedom, encourages experimentation, and above all, respects those who choose to build. Our progress is also receiving external recognition. In the NIRF, the Government of India rankings, BITS Pilani moved from, in the university category, BITS Pilani moved from 20th in 2023 to 7th in 2025. In engineering, we moved from 25th in 2023 to 11th in 2025. In the QS rankings, BITS is now among the top 250 institutions globally in engineering and technology, while pharmacy and pharmacology is among the top 50 in the world. It ranked 45. Rankings are not our destination. They are only reminders that the world is noticing us. When several independent measures point in the same direction, they tell us that the institution is gaining strength and visibility. All of the rankings, both government and private, in 2025 rated BITS Pilani as the #1 private engineering institution in India and alongside top IITs. The second pillar of our strategy is equity. We want BITS Pilani to be an institution where financial circumstances do not prevent exceptional talent from receiving the exceptional education that we provide in our campuses. Beginning this year, admission is tuition blind for the top 500 BITSAT rankers. Every student in this group will receive full tuition support for 4 years if their family income is below Indian rupees 20 lakhs. Going forward, thanks to institute investment and alumni contributions, we plan to make all BITS admissions tuition blind. Merit must never be defeated by the inability to pay. BITS Pilani now provides around 132 crores in scholarships every year. We have also launched a $100 million endowment initiative with over $48 million already pledged. Alumni giving has risen from 32 crores 3 years ago to 82 crores this year. This is not merely fundraising. It's a powerful vote of confidence from our alumni in the direction in which BITS is moving. The greatest universities in the world have been built by generations. Their strength comes not only from those who manage them at a particular moment, but from alumni who continue to believe that their institution is worth strengthening. Equity also means creating a campus where every student feels supported. Through BITS case, we are strengthening student well-being, mental health support, and campus life across our campuses. Excellence without empathy is incomplete. A university must challenge its students, but it must also stand by them when they struggle. The third pillar is therefore expansion with purpose. BITS is making one of the largest institutional investments in its history. Project Vistar involves an investment of 1,230 crores across the Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad campuses. It will expand laboratories, hostels, academic facilities and student infrastructure. This is not a cosmetic expansion. It is meant to improve the everyday academic and residential experience of our students and faculty. Between Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad, we are investing 50 crores this year in upgrading the undergraduate laboratories. Over the next 4 years, we are also investing rupees 250 crores in strengthening our AI plus quantum initiatives. At Amravati, we are building a new AI plus campus with a first phase investment of 1200 crores. It will focus on artificial intelligence, data science and emerging technologies. It's being designed for a world in which AI will reshape engineering, science, healthcare, business and almost every profession. Through Axis Bank CSR support, we are creating a 100 crore industry research park to bring companies, researchers, startups and students into a shared innovation ecosystem. At Kalyan campus in Mumbai, BITSOM, BITS Law School and BITS Design School are broadening the intellectual footprint of the BITS ecosystem. Our work integrated learning programs now serve more than 54,000 working professionals, making lifelong learning one of the strongest pillars of BITS Pilani. Our global 2+2 programs connect BITS students with leading universities abroad. We are expanding joint PhD programs, student mobility and international research partnerships. Expansion, however, is meaningful only when it strengthens quality. We are not trying to become larger for the sake of becoming larger. We are trying to create a stronger, more diverse and a more globally connected university. The next phase of our strategy is clear. We must recruit more than 400 additional faculty members in the coming 3.5 years. We must grow industry-funded research 10 times over. We must convert more patents into products and companies. We must strengthen international collaboration. We must move into the global top 150 in engineering in the next 3 years and to the top 8 in NIRF engineering. We must close the $100 million endowment and ensure that no deserving student is denied a BITS education for financial reasons. These are ambitious goals, but BITS Pilani has never progressed through modest ambition. BITS had received more than 263,000 applications this year, the highest in our history. With an admission rate below 2% and cutoffs rising steadily, entry into BITS Pilani campuses has become extremely competitive. Thanks to our increased emphasis on equity and excellence, our merit has gone up significantly this year. The lowest BITSAT cutoff marks rose from 151 last year to 200 this year, which is a significant rise. Top 500 rankers joining BITS Pilani campuses increased by 62%. Of the 48 program cutoffs, 47 increased while one remained exactly the same. A survey of incoming students showed that 90% had declined other offers, including from IITs and other leading institutions, to join BITS Pilani campuses. The best students in the country continue to place their trust in BITS Pilani. Our responsibility is to justify that trust. To the graduating class of 2026, I want to say this. From today onwards, BITS Pilani will travel with you. It will travel with you as credibility. It will travel with you as a reputation. It will travel with you as a network. In many places, it will become your introduction even before you have spoken your first sentence. But legacy is not a cushion, it's a responsibility. The BITS name may open the first door for you. After that, your competence, integrity, courage, and ability to create value will determine how far you go. You are entering a world where information is becoming abundant and inexpensive. AI can provide answers, write code, analyze data, and generate designs, but implementation, judgment, institution building, and the courage to act will remain deeply human. Anyone can access information. The doers will be the winners in the age of AI. Do not become engineers who only learn to use technologies created elsewhere. Become engineers who build technologies for India and for the world. India today needs builders. We need people who can build semiconductor technologies, AI systems, clean energy solutions, new medicines, modern manufacturing, resilient infrastructure, and institutions of global quality. Viksit Bharat dream of India needs to be built in our institutions, in our laboratories, our classrooms, factories, startups, hospitals, and public institutions. It will be built by people like you. Dream big because you come from an institution that has always respected bold ambition. Remain grounded because real achievement always requires humility, which is a Bitsian trait. Carry the BITS legacy with pride, but add to it to your own conduct and accomplishments. And wherever life takes you, remain connected to this institution. Return with your ideas, your time, your mentorship, and when you are able, your support. The strength of your degree will grow as the strength of your university grows. I congratulate each one of you on this occasion. I congratulate your parents and families whose sacrifices are written into your success. I congratulate our faculty and staff who have guided you through this journey. And I once again thank Mr. Rakesh Verma for being with us today and for showing through his leadership and generosity what it truly means to be a Bitsian. My best wishes to the graduating class of 2026 for a life of success, purpose and impact. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.